Alright people, Big Ed here. I'm doing another video this weekend here. I rode out to Leesburg, Florida. They have a bike fest. Went to check it out. I did some video of it, but my damn camera's screwed up on the video. For some reason, when it's real bright out, I'm using my phone camera. When I tilt it sideways, when it's real bright out, it ends up fucking up. Excuse my language, but right now we got it overcast, and I can walk out in the yard and it'll videotape fine. But if I try to videotape when the sun's out, real bright, something's happening. I don't know what's going on with the camera. I'm gonna have to see if I can find any YouTube videos on it. But anyways, when I got home, it's about a 50-mile trip over there and 50 miles back. My exhaust, this one right here, was tilted like that. And this one didn't really move. It stayed pretty much in place. The exhaust is from an 89 Electraglide. This is a 93. So it's a little bit different. And my original mufflers had some mounting brackets on top of the muffler. These fishtails don't have any mounting. So what I've been doing is, I started off with one clamp and that didn't work. I put two clamps. I put some leather in between because leather doesn't seem to burn. That still didn't work. And then I put these pieces of metal right here, this one with the holes in it. And it held for about 100, 200 miles. But today, it must have worked itself loose. And so I'm trying to figure out what I can do besides buying a whole new exhaust. I'd like to get one down the road, but hell, them damn things are $700 to $1,000. This poor white boy ain't doing that. But problem with these hose clamps, you know, the bike has a lot of vibration. Most Harleys do. These newer ones probably aren't so bad, but the vibration causes these hose clamps to come loose. So I got an idea, but I'm gonna have to go to Lowe's or Ace Hardware tomorrow. Kind of late right now. But anyway, what I was saying about this exhaust, it doesn't line up right. The original exhaust would line up right about here. This part would be over here. And I had these brackets that you put in through here, and they would mount on the muffler and hold it in place. But these mufflers, they come along this bar over here, and you can't get them to go over anymore because it hits up in there and stuff. I don't know why they had, you know, 89 and a 93 should be pretty much about the same body style and everything. So I don't know why they would tweak the exhaust a little bit. But if anybody's got any ideas on what to do, give me a shout out. I just retightened. I tightened all this stuff again. It was kind of loose. But it'll make it about another 100, 200 miles before it vibrates loose again. Other than that, Gypsy did good. I'm proud of her. I forgot to give her a kiss. This is becoming my favorite bike because I worked on it for a year, overhauling the motor and put new cams in, or new cam. You know, I've done all the work. I'm still at a standstill right now on the iron head. I'm getting parts ready for swap meet. But also getting ready to do a yard sale too. I was going to do one tomorrow, but it's going to be raining. So maybe next weekend. Don't forget, in a couple weeks, Mother's Day is coming up. So yeah, take your mothers out. Anyways, peace out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.